You jump, we jack crews for the microphones. I done already proved I can hold my own. Knick-knack, paddywhack. Hold up, whack, patty knack, nick, I had to reverse that. A few dudes get deals with nursery rhymes. Ain't paid no dues, never served time. Don't be a dunce and get oops upside your head of what some of these rappers lied and said. It's the Glock spitting the truth like Beanie Siegel in the booth. We rugged to the boots. And the dudes is no fruit to my group. And the chicks may be more rugged than you. The shit that you're hearing is only partial. We spark, you don't want to feel the arsenal. It's bang, bang, boom. I told you, we eat spit fire. See the smoke, smell the fume. This is a four-alarm blaze, blazing. If you could taste it, it'll taste like Cajun. We too hot. What are you going to do when you got anonymous mistress, Mr. Juice or who Glock? Or you trail like trailblazers on the road. What are you going to do? Which way you going to go?